Hello everyone. Today I introduce our premium Litu two-way radio leather case, meticulously designed for the Motorola CP040, DP1400, and R2 series two-way radios. It is built from top-quality, durable materials and offers superior protection against drops, scratches, and harsh environments. Featuring an adjustable strap, this case provides versatile wearing options to suit your busy lifestyle. With its sleek and functional design, you'll enjoy effortless carrying and quick access, ensuring you're always ready to communicate with confidence. Elevate your gear with the Litu two-way radio leather case, the perfect balance of style and practicality. Thank you for watching.